everyone, this is Mama from Blessing by Design. Today I'm introducing our 2021 Deluxe Digital Planners. We have 8, count them 8, versions of this planner, each one with a different color palette and cover, but they all include 538 digital pages of months, weeks, and especially days. There's a day page for every single day of the year, including December 2020. In our year calendar here, you can see you'll have access to December 2020. We're releasing this mid-November so you can get started planning right away. In this calendar at a glance, you have quick links to every single month of the year. We have tabs on either side for easy access to our special categories and our month landing pages that have beautiful imagery and graphics. Now we have the Gold Deluxe Digital Planner. As I'm showing you this planner collection, we're going to switch through all 8 versions so you can get a sneak peek at all the beautiful color palettes and each one's unique cover designs. This gold version has a soft color palette with a tapestry cover that's quite feminine. These tabs on the right are the 12 linked category sections. New for 2021, we have a brand new section called Track. In this Track category, we've included 3 templates. One that's a habit tracker, one for medical info, and one that is for contacts if you're organizing a group and have several people that you need to manage and coordinate. We also have, behind our budget tab, a monthly budget template. This is probably one of the most popular templates people use. You can store these templates within these tab sections and duplicate them as many times as you need. Now we're on the bright, fresh Deluxe Digital Planner that has bubbles on the front. As we continue down the side tabs, next is the shopping list section, and it has a template in it for a shopping list. One of the new tabs we have included this year has a blank landing page where you can customize it to store whatever you need. Maybe you want to keep all of your kids' schedules and stuff in here. You can label it Kid Stuff. And as with all of our digital planners, behind each tab, you can add as many pages as you need for quick access. Now we're switching over to our Citrus Deluxe Digital Planner. Following that custom tab category, we have a category here that's called My Templates. Here you can create your own template using the annotating tools that come with the GoodNotes app. Right now I'm on an iPad Pro with an Apple Pencil. It's great for digital planning. All these functional links on the landing page for this bonus section that has a white plus will be stored here, and after you label them, you'll be able to find them and duplicate them easily. If I click on the question mark tab, which is available on every single page of the planner, you will immediately come to an index. This is new for 2021. We have a linked index that enables you to really get to know and understand how this planner is organized and where things are stored. We're going to have another video called Get to Know Your Planner for this planner that will walk through every single page of this planner. This planner is going to keep you organized. I guarantee it. On the month grids, which you can access these month grids from your calendar tab, you can tap on any month name and it will jump to the month grid, or you can tap on any week within the year calendar and it goes to that week's page. And once you're within a week, you can tap on any day page link, and when you're on a day page, it tells you by color that, like this page, you're in week 1 of November here, and these are the days of that week in November. I can tap on any day of that week and go to that day's schedule or tap any weak link too. Now we're on the Blackboard Deluxe Planner. This version is quite sophisticated, a little more professional and masculine in color, not quite as bright. It's similar to the subtle tones of the MY DELUXE version. I want to show you this Notes tab. It has 3 templates. The first one here is specially designed for when you have meetings and need to take notes. We also have a lined paper and a graph paper template that you can duplicate as much as you need. Now I want to show you a great feature of digital planners. Here's my iPhone, and I've got the Butter Deluxe version open on it for you to see. You can plan at home on your iPad and then take your phone with you, and you will have your schedules with you on the go. Plan at home on the iPad or tablet, and with the iCloud account, you can access the same planner document that is synced to your phone. Now we're on the Bright Deluxe Digital Planner, and it's very bright in color. It's got some string art stars. If you ever shop on the blessingbydesign.com store, you'll see some of our shirts that have these graphics that inspired this cover design. I want to go through a few more of these tab sections. Thanks for hanging in there with me. We have a journaling tab that comes with a journaling template. We have a project tab that comes with a project template. There's a parties tab that comes with a party plan template. There's a travel tab with a vacation plan template. And then there's a reading logs tab with a reading log to track what you're reading. Whoa, we're almost done here. This is number 8. This is the Marine Deluxe Digital Planner. It's got soft, beautiful ocean colors with blues and greens. Now I want to show you these tabs on the left-hand side that take you to month landing pages. If you swipe one page to the right after a month landing page, you will find your month dashboard. And if you happen to forget, there's little instructions at the top of the page to help you navigate. The next page is the month overview grid, where you can easily access links to all the week pages of that month and days just by tapping. Month dashboards are a place for you to write down your goals, do a brain dump, keep track of meal ideas, things you're excited about, as well as projects, special dates, and stuff that you're loving. The month grid is a great place for writing quick notes of parties or birthdays and anniversaries. Whereas the day pages, you really get down to the nitty-gritty, scheduling out your whole day, as well as what you ate and what your priorities are and what you have to get done. And we're back to the My Deluxe version to wrap up this video. I want to thank you guys for stopping by to watch the video and learn about our Deluxe Digital Planner collection. Check out the link in the description for blessingbydesign.com and go see those product images up close. Email us, ask us questions. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, have a great day, and be blessed.